I extend a very, very warm welcome to each and every one of you to the annual Communication Meeting 2014. My name is Anuj and I will be your host for the day. The annual Communication Meeting is a great forum for all Sonatians to come together and connect and celebrate the success of the previous year and also plan for the future. We had a fabulous ACM in Hyderabad yesterday, and I'm sure you guys are going to make Bangalore as good, if not better. What I need from all of you in the audience is to keep your energy levels up there, for you to always give a warm welcome to whoever is coming on stage to present or to collect an award. And I'm sure you are going to enjoy today and go home with something valuable. On that note, before we begin, I want to hear a huge, huge round of applause from each and every one of you present here today for Sonata Software, for the ACM 2014, and more importantly, for the super, super audience that you guys are. You can do better than this. I want to hear a bigger round of applause. Keep going. This is Sonata Software Annual Communication Meeting 2014. Setting the pace for the day, may I request Ms. Madhavi Srinivas, the Head of Human Resources at Sonata, to address the gathering and give us an introduction and welcome to ACM 2014. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for Ms. Madhavi Srinivas. Thank you.
Thank you, Anuj.
Thank you, Shrikar. Ladies and gentlemen, like he mentioned, we're going to have the various business heads come up now and present to you, talk to you about the plans, talk to you about the previous year. Mr. Arun Sriram to talk to us about product management and marketing. Can we have Arun on stage, please? Ladies and gentlemen, up next we have Mr. Rajiv Rege, who will give us an insight into account management. He is a seasoned business leader in IT and BPO services with about 20 years of cross-functional experience. Rajiv is an engineer and has a postgraduate from IIM. He has been living near London for the past 12 years. He enjoys spending time with his family, and he calls himself an armchair cricket pundit. Rajiv, now that everyone knows you're an armchair cricket pundit, why don't you give us a few thoughts that you have about India's recent loss to Sri Lanka in the World T20s? Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mr. Ankush Patel. Hi Ankush, welcome to India. I know you've been living abroad for many years in the States, so why don't you tell us what are the few things that you miss about India?
So actually, what did I tell you yesterday?
Yesterday you told me women and food. Coming on stage next is Mr. PVSN Raju to talk to us about delivery excellence. Does everyone over here know Mr. Raju? Can I see a show of hands of who all know Mr. Raju? All right, everybody knows you. Can I see a show of hands of who all have spoken to Mr. Raju and interacted with him at work or outside of work? All right. Can I see a show of hands of how many people know what PVSN in his name stands for? Can we get on a mic and can you tell us what PVSN stands for? So you have to correct it if it's wrong.
I don't know myself.
You don't know yourself? We'll make up something then. Pretty, very, single, something like that.
PVSN, Raju.
Yes, what is P?
P for Pasupaleti.
Pasupaleti, is that correct, sir?
You're almost right.
Yes, huge round of applause, she's got one right. All right. What is V?
V stands for Venkata.
Venkata is correct?
Right.
Yes, again, let's go.
Yes. S stands for Subba.
Super.
Subba Ram or Subba?
Subramanya.
Oh, super. Super also is fine. And
N for Narasimha.
Narasimha. All right, huge round of applause. This is Mr. PVSN Raju. Over to you, sir. Venkat is the Chief Financial Officer of Sonata Software. He oversees various aspects of risk management, control functions, and investor relations. A chartered accountant, Venkat enjoys swimming, playing billiards, and reading. He's married to Jaya and loves spending time with his two children. Ladies and gentlemen, give a huge, huge round of applause for Mr. Venkat. All right, Venkat, you're the man I really like because you always have the money, and it's good to be around people like this. But other than counting money and being in charge of large sums of it, what is the most challenging part? All right, ladies and gentlemen, brace yourselves, get ready, keep all the whistles, screams, and shouts ready, because the nominees for the best team of the year are, and the award for the best team of the year goes to Team Cyrus. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise. Everybody part of Cyrus, please come up on stage. Best team of the year Cyrus. The next category of award, which is the Sonatian of the year 2013 and 2014. And the winners for Sonatian of the year 2013 and 2014 are Naidu BS and Sundarlata. A huge round of applause. And now we've come to the end of the annual communication meeting 2014. I hope you had a good time. I hope you enjoyed every single presentation that was there, and it was a fantastic way to see how we celebrated all the winners of the awards. Once before we go, a huge round of applause for every single person in this auditorium for making the annual communication meeting 2014 a super success. Do join us for refreshments and high tea on your way out. This is MC Anuj signing off. I will see you very soon. Goodbye. Thank you.